Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and today I want to talk to you about a rookie Pinterest marketing mistake that I see people making all the time. You know, Pinterest is amazing for your business, right? Like free traffic, free leads. It's pretty rock star. But the number one mistake I see people make is they're using Pinterest for their own personal use and they're pinning for themselves and not for their ideal client. And I want you to make this mental shift. So your Pinterest account, it's not for you anymore. It's for your ideal client. Every time you create a new board or a new pin, always think, is this pin going to add value to my ideal client? And if it's not, you can pin it, but just add it to a secret board. So any of your own personal boards, just make them secret. Don't worry about starting a new Pinterest account. My ideal client is an entrepreneur that needs help with blogging, branding, and social media. So I create boards that cover all of those topics. I have a lot more to talk about when it comes to Pinterest. Like we can dive in deep. So I have a free Pinterest masterclass that I want to invite you to. Just go to freepinterestclass.com to save your seat, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.